How to change email in TikTok account. Open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. You can view the settings over here. Under the section for account, you'll be able to find this option for account. Tap on it. Tap on the option Account Information that you can see at top. Tap on the option for email. Tap on the option Change Email that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, enter the new email address over here. Tap on the option Continue. Now you'll have to verify the email. A verification code will be sent to you. Open the Gmail app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap on the email sent by TikTok. You'll be able to see the verification code in this email. Memorize this code, or you can also copy it if you want. You can also tap on the verify option in order to directly verify it. Go back to the TikTok app. Enter the code over here. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here the email will be changed. Like this, you'll be able to change TikTok email address. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.